Hello my dear friends, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. And today in this video, let us do something interesting. Yes, you heard it right. So let us say I have data of some students in the respective subjects, math, science, English, social science and general knowledge. And I wanted to highlight the rows and columns for the cell which I select. For example, if I select 49 here, it will automatically highlight the corresponding row and column. That means the subject and the name of the student. Let me go to 14 over here and it will highlight Linda and social science. And in that way, it can highlight anything which I select. And I know this will be very helpful when your data is very long in a horizontal way. For example, if you have something over here in column P and you wanted to see the respective row of it, then you will select this. It will automatically highlight the cell corresponding to that particular row. And I guess you can do this in each and every version of Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and start creating this amazing magic. So I've copied the same data in Excel file name book1, and first of all we need to open the VBA for this Excel. So to open that, we have a shortcut. We need to press Alt F11 or function Alt F11. So let me press function Alt F11 and it will open the Visual Basic Applications for book 1, which is the name of our current file. Now by default you will see nothing over here when you open it for the first time. So let us go to view and open the code. Now here we have two options, this general and declaration. So in general, let us select this worksheet and here we will select the selection change. Now in this code between these two lines, the two lines will be present by default, and in this code let us copy these lines and paste it over here, and we have sheet 1 named over here. If you have something different written over, then you need to write the particular name of the sheet. After you do this, so this is basically we are assigning an integer, and we will assign this active cell to this variable, and this is these two lines are assigning colors to rows and columns. So starting from 1 to I don't know how many, we have color options. So 6 is basically the yellowish color and 22 is something different. So you can choose whatever color you want. And if I go to the sheet now and if I select anyone over here, it will highlight the row and column. So if you want to see, let me choose 4 over here for the color of row. It will select a different color. 20 is also a good color, so let me choose 20 and it is highlighting the rows and column in this way. So this is quite interesting and very easy to do this. It is very helpful when you have a longer data, so it will automatically highlight the rows and columns of that particular cell. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and learned a new thing. You may enjoy more videos like this in our channel. So do visit our channel and hit that subscribe button. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.